I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to change your Roblox display name. Your Roblox display name is free to change, but you need to be aware that you can only change it every 7 days. Step 1. Open the Roblox app and then tap More in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Settings. The associated screen opens. Step 3. Tap Account Info in this list of options. The next screen shows you the information associated with your Roblox account. Step 4. Tap the Edit icon next to Name. The Change Name window opens, letting you know that this is the name that other Roblox players will see for you. Step 5. Enter what you want to be your new Roblox display name and then tap Save. Your Roblox username will be changed immediately. And again, your Roblox display name is free to change, but you can only change it every 7 days. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.